How are you guys doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. I just want to give you guys a quick update of the nursery and show you guys some of the casualties we had with the drought in June. 40 days of no rain here in Ireland is very unusual, and can't really keep up with the watering. I'll show you guys now. Here's a mother strawberry plant, and there's some of the casualties of the drought. All the baby strawberry plants have died off. Just for comparison, these strawberry plants are grown in wood chips, and you can see they're very healthy and totally drought resistant. They kept the leaves, they kept all the leaves even during the drought. They never drooped at all. And here's the same plant but in a pot. We've found in the nursery, once you keep plants in pots, you have to keep watering them. If it's not raining, let's say for about 3 or 4 days, you want to be watering them. And the way to reduce watering is to actually mulch them with wood chips, like we shown in the previous video. And yeah, these plants here now, they would have survived the drought, no problem at all. Here's some, there's actually lilac trees and medlar. So those are in 12-litre buckets, and even any of the plants that have been grown with wood chips, the trees here, there's a peach tree, no problem at all once you mulch them. A lot of plants in pots actually died back completely during the drought and came back from the root, like these nectarine trees. Check out, that used to be the stem about say about 5 foot tall nearly, or $1.50 m, and now we're out to about 30 centimeters here, but that's the growth since the drought, so I'm gonna have to do some pruning there, same as this one. Died back completely and came back from the root. So, but yeah, they've been mulched now anyway, after the drought. Didn't get a chance beforehand. But all the trees in pots are only temporarily in pots anyway, and until we find a permanent spot for them, and we'll plant them out then. Here's one of the Portuguese kales, completely gone out of hand. Look at the size of the plant in comparison to the tiny pot. It's only a half-litre pot.